Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. We're starting this video in kind of a weird place. We're driving the Volkswagen. Yes, it has a check engine light, but I do have the spark plugs to replace in it, which should fix my check engine light. But we are here to fix a different misfiring check engine light problem. I already grabbed the part. We're on our way back from the parts store. The Jeep Wrangler we just got needs a coil pack. Confirmed by taking the misfiring one from cylinder 3, putting it on cylinder 4. Now this misfire is on cylinder, I said cylinder 4, I meant cylinder 1. So it was misfiring on cylinder 3, swapped it to cylinder 1, now the misfire is on cylinder 1. So we have a new coil pack to go replace. So I will see you guys when we get back to the house and pull the Wrangler into the garage. I'm gonna show you guys the misfire in the Volkswagen. Hopefully it picked that up. It sounds like a damn machine gun. And now the check engine light's flashing. Beep beep. BBC. Ah. I need gloves because it's fucking cold. Yay, my whole collection of tools. This is all I got to work with. I don't have a 10. I have this 10. I think we need a 10. Let's find out. Haha, I would be right. Just like that. Yeah, get that out of here. We don't need that broken part. And dang, I gotta go back outside. Open sesame. I don't even need the other bolt. It comes with one. Haha. All right, take 3 because I keep missing me recording this and I'm aiming down here instead of here. Try this again. We'll watch from the camera lens this time. And the hole it goes. Can't get that clip out. Okay. All right, now the last part. Gotta screw that bad boy in there and we should be good. One for good measure. Okay. I don't know. That just doesn't look like it's on all the way. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Let's go find out. And snap. Snap. I guess we'll find out right away if it's on the whole way. All right. Time to let her warm up for a little bit, a couple seconds. Hit the road, figure out if the misfire's gone. Okay, it's been a couple seconds. Let's go. All right. Oh, man. Why is that on? No, that means my cruise control won't work. And there is not a code in the system for this little light. Or at least with the small scanner. I don't know. I guess I got to dig deeper. All right, we're in 6th gear. RPMs are very low. Let's see. Now we're doing 50 miles an hour in 6th gear, and we're on 37s. And here goes another hill. All right, down to 51. Down the hill. And I'm only about like 35% throttle. I'm definitely gonna have to downshift for this one. Yep, 5th gear. I lied, 4th gear. There we go. Okay, well, I think it's safe to say the misfire's fixed. Usually the check engine light would come back already. And usually, you know, you'd be able to feel the misfire, the Jeep struggling, especially coming up hills. It would definitely backfire. So, quick 5-6 minute video and the Jeep's fixed. Alrighty, sweet. Now, I'm gonna do a driving video to finish off the last video. If you did not see the last video of me introducing this Jeep, I planned on driving it in that same video or in that same day, and I did not get to drive it in the same day. So we're gonna close out this video and finish making that one with a POV drive. So if you haven't already, go check that video out to go figure out what's done to this Jeep, how much I paid for it, and everything, almost everything you need to know about it. I'm gonna close this video out now. I'm rambling on a lot and I'm trying to make quality content video for you guys. Hope you enjoy the first video of the Wrangler. If you didn't see it, I recommend go watching it, figuring out the looks of this Jeep, the tires, you know, every detail, almost every detail about this Jeep. Go check that video out. This was kind of a shorter video, but an installation video nonetheless. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Drop a like on the video. That will definitely help the channel out, and I'm looking to get this channel monetized again. I did lose my monetization. So I'm gonna try putting out quality, not quantity. And we're definitely gonna go off-road sometime here in the future now the Jeep's misfire is fixed. So before I keep talking and losing more viewers, I will see you guys next time. Peace out.